Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to unbox a product for you. I hope you will love it and you'll enjoy it. So let's move toward it. And it's our rice serum. The rice serum is, here you can see, the rice silver serum. Now let's unbox this. Before unboxing this, I would like to tell you last time I ordered the Amor's cold serum and it was amazing results. It removes the acne scars on my face and it was very effective on my skin. From Amor, this time I have ordered rice serum, and this rice serum has amazing benefits for the facial skin. Now let's unbox this. It's a very bigger box and you can hear the sound inside of the small serum. Here it is. This is small. I think you won't be able to see this. It has amazing ingredients like silver leaf, sandal white, mustard white, coconut water, rice, potato water, banana water, pomegranate flower and carbonate into it, which are going to heal your skin and rejuvenates, works on your skin great. Now let's remove its further cover to open its bottle. Okay, the front look like this from outside. Let me open it. It's a similar kind of bottle like we have gold serum. White color bottle. Oh, and it smells amazing. It has amazing fragrance. I can't define. Now what can you do? You can simply have to open it from here. Let's open it. Now it has a dropper, and inside it looks like orange in color. I have taken a few drops and I will show you by applying it on my skin. By applying it on my skin like this, one drop, because I am very greedy. Not greedy, I am conjuice. I will apply it overnight. This one drop is, wow, what an amazing feel. It has no sticky feeling. It has an amazing feeling, soft feeling when I apply it on my hand, and it has out of this world kind of fragrance and beautiful texture. It has disappeared from my skin. The skin has absorbed it really well. It is enriched with the goodness of rice and silver. It helps away the appearance of it removes the open pores or closes your open pores on your face, and also removes the scar, and it lifts your skin. It skin tightens. Definitely see results in few days, after 10 days. Now it's time to buy your Amor rice serum, and let me know in the comment box below how it works on your skin. Bye bye.